Arya's first face
One is
painting.
bottom right.
It's gonna be a kitty cat.
This is the girl that you see.
Wanna see? You like it?
Oh, it's a kitty cat.
Kitty cat. I'm gonna fix the middle.
Bless you. You're welcome, Xander.
I'm gonna have to go get something to eat.
Arya, what are you gonna be?
A kitty cat.
A kitty cat. You're doing good, Arya.
Right on it.
Somebody
Trying to get my emotional side of
Coast Guard, Air Force, and allies to freely operate in today's joint fight anywhere, anytime. The pilot for today's demonstration is Major Dan Dickinson from Sumter, South Carolina. Major Dickinson is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 800 hours in F-22 Raptors. Launching Major Dickinson.